What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today, we're going to be making Nachos Grande. It's one of my favorites, and it's not too hard to make, so let's go ahead and get started. Nachos Grande. Now basically, this is just some ground beef with taco seasoning, and then you take Velveeta and these 2 cans of Rotel and mix it up. Everybody calls it something different. Nachos, Rotel mix, whatever you want to call it. My dad called it Nachos Grande. That's what I've always called it, so we're going to keep calling it that today. Let's go ahead and get started by browning up our ground beef, and then we can add the taco seasoning. Let's go, baby! Let's flop that beef right in there, baby, and go ahead and start breaking it up. Now, I should have let this one thaw out just a little bit more, but it's going to be okay. Just keep breaking it up and stirring until you get it all a good brown color. And once you know the meat's done, you can go ahead and add your seasonings. Put that first packet in there. Make sure that you shake it up, ladies and gentlemen. Shake that thing. Put that second pack in there. And then you just want to go ahead and take your spatula, mix it all around, make sure everything gets covered. And once it's good to go, we can move right on down the line to our next step. Yeah. I'm getting a little deja vu. I feel like we might have done that before a few times. Anyways, let's move on to the cheese. Go ahead and take your Velveeta, mix it with your Rotel, and you're going to make a dip that'll make everybody flip, baby. Extra cheese, if you please, if you know what I'm talking about. Let's get to work. Come on, Cool Breeze. We about to make that good cheese. Go ahead and just start slicing it up. Throw it in there, just like you're dealing cards. Then you want to go ahead and put your Rotel right on the top. I like to layer mine, as you're going to see. Now, you can use 1 can if you want to. I like to use 2. Like mine spicy, baby. Chop that cheese up, layer it again. You want to put it in the microwave for about 6 minutes. See how it's not quite done? Go ahead and put it back for another 6 minutes after you stir it up. And, there you go, amigo. That's that good cheese we was talking about. Look at that dog down there trying to steal something. Get out of here. Let's go ahead and put them together. Put some chips on there, a few more chips if you don't mind, just a little more than that. That's perfect. Go ahead and put our cheese right on top of the chips. Look at that cheese. Put your meat right on top. Now please, sir, can I have some more meat, please? Beautiful. That's beautiful. And look at those beautiful Nachos Grande. I know I'm ready for a bite. Alright, baby, the time has come. The Nachos Grande are done. And I'm going to have the first bite for me. Put a little hot sauce on mine. Like it's spicy. There we go. Bueno. Muy bueno. But caliente, baby. Well, I hope y'all have enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe and watch all my other cooking videos right here on YouTube. Y'all have a good one. Peace.